These are instructions for logging into the IM4S conference website hosted by Drifta. First, you'll need to enter your username and password and click Continue. When you log in, you'll end up on your dashboard page. And you can always go back to your dashboard by clicking the My Dashboard tab at the top of the screen. From your dashboard, click My Proposals. And then click the green button, Add New Proposal. And then start filling in some of the details below. So the title of your talk can go here. And then select a proposal topic or theme, whatever best suits your presentation. And then choose a proposal type. The plenary presentation proposal type is all the way to the right, so choose that one. What's going to happen is that will refresh the page so that fields below that are particularly referencing the plenary presentation will appear. If you do not have any co-presenters, you can just skip this question. So enter a proposal summary, enter an outline, the purpose of your presentation, learning objectives, and then choose an educational objective that most closely aligns with your presentation. You may select more than one. And if you have any audio-visual requests, you can choose that here. If you have a special request, choosing this option will open up a new field at the bottom where you can enter your special request. If you don't have a special request, you can just say standard audiovisual is fine. And this is a question about commercial interest. If you represent a commercial interest, meaning you are part of an entity that produces, markets, resells, or distributes healthcare goods or services consumed by or used on patients, you would select yes. If not, you can select no. If you're not sure, you can say you're not sure. And then if you have any additional info that you would like to share with other guests at the conference, you may enter it here. This is optional. And then you will likely not have a co-presenter. So what I will do is just click Submit. So the proposal is complete. Excellent. And then what you'll be able to find back on your My Proposals page is the title of the presentation that you just submitted. So if you wanted to go back and make some changes, or if you wanted to go back to look at what you entered, just click on the proposal title and you'll see your submitted proposal below. Thank you for watching.